Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to accept an invite on myQ. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you are watching a friend or family member's house and you need to enter their home, so they actually gave you an invite to their myQ. How do you actually go ahead and accept that invite? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is access myQ. Then on the upper left-hand corner, you should see a notification in your profile initial names. So click on that. Next, click on invitations. And then from here, you can see that I've been invited to a home and that it is going to expire within a couple of days. So for example, let's say that someone invited you and you don't see their invitation anymore. Most likely, they either didn't invite the correct email or the invite might have been expired. So with that, I'm just going to click on this home here. Afterwards, just click on accept, and there you have it. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and accept an invite on myQ. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.